Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, how are you today? Okay, today we are going to learn about the new material. What is it? Let's see the screen about Unit 1 School Building Chapter 5. This is my school. So, everyone, are you ready to study today? Thank you so much. Let's get started. Okay, everyone. School building, chapter 5. This is my school, especially school building. Okay, let's move to the next slide. This is about school facilities. Kita akan belajar fasilitas sekolah. Nah, kira-kira ada apa saja ya fasilitas di sekolah kita? Okay, let's move to the next slide. You can see here in this picture. Kita lihat coba dari gambar tersebut. Can you guess about school facilities? Bisakah kalian menebak berdasarkan gambar ini? Yuk, mari kita cek. Ada bendera, flag, ada garden, kebun, dan juga ada gedung sekolah, school building. Here are several school facilities. Ini adalah beberapa fasilitas-fasilitas sekolah. Yang pertama, flag, bendera, classroom, ruang kelas, schoolyard, halaman sekolah, garden, kebun, library, perpustakaan, football field, lapangan sepak bola, science lab, laboratorium sains, art room, ruang seni, toilet, principal's room, ruang kepala sekolah, canteen, kantin. Itu dia beberapa fasilitas-fasilitas yang ada di sekolah. Okay, let's move to the next slide. In this chapter, we are going to learn about di materi ini kita akan mempelajari tentang asking and giving direction. When you are in new place, surely you can easily get lost. Ketika kamu berada di tempat yang baru, tentu saja kamu mudah kesasar. That is why we need to learn about this material. Itulah mengapa kita perlu mempelajari materi ini. To ask the directions, you can use several expressions like ketika ingin menanyakan arah, kamu bisa menggunakan beberapa ekspresi berikut. Can you tell me where bla 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 bla? Dapatkah kamu memberitahuku di mana titik-titik? Where is bla 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 bla? Di mana titik-titik? Can you show me the way to bla 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 bla? Dapatkah kamu menunjukkan jalan ke titik-titik? Okay, let's move to the next slide. Ini ada beberapa contoh tentang giving direction. Number 1, turn right, belok kanan. Number 2, turn left, belok kiri. Number 3, go straight, jalan lurus. Number 4, go straight forward, jalan lurus ke depan. This moment we are going to expressions of giving direction. Ekspresi-ekspresi memberikan petunjuk. Kira-kira ekspresi apa saja untuk memberikan petunjuk kepada orang lain? Okay, let's see. Expression of giving direction. The first table about us direction. The second table gives directions. For example, the first asks directions. Can you tell me where the teacher's room is? Give directions. Go straight forward until you find the library. Jalan lurus ke depan sampai kamu menemukan perpustakaan. Turn left, belok kiri. Go straight forward, the teacher's room is beside the canteen. Jalan lurus ke depan, ruangan guru di samping kantin. The second asks directions. Where is the toilet? Give directions. Go straight forward until you find the library. Jalan lurus ke depan sampai kamu menemukan perpustakaan. Turn right, belok kanan. The toilet is on your left. Toiletnya ada di sebelah kirimu. The third asks directions. Can you show me the way to the clinic? Give directions. Go straight forward in the corridor until you find the ninth grader's room. Kemudian untuk contoh ketiga, jalan lurus ke depan di dalam koridor sampai kamu menemukan ruangan siswa kelas 9. Turn right, belok kanan. The clinic is beside the principal's office. Klinik itu berada di samping kantor kepala sekolah. Okay. Asking and giving direction dialogue example. Can you tell me the way to the library, please? Dapatkah kamu memberitahuku jalan menuju perpustakaan? Sure. From here, turn right and then go straight forward. The library beside the science laboratory. Baiklah, dari sini belok kanan, lalu maju terus, perpustakaan di samping laboratorium sains. Thank you so much. Terima kasih banyak. Sure, you're welcome. Tentu saja, sama-sama. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Prepositions of place atau preposisi tempat. Well, not only about asking, but we should able to giving direction to other. Tidak hanya tentang menanyakan arah, tapi kita juga harus bisa memberikan arah kepada orang lain. So, we are going to learn about some of vocabulary related to direction. Jadi, kita akan mempelajari beberapa kosakata yang berhubungan dengan arah. Digunakan ketika kita memberikan petunjuk ketika ada orang yang bertanya. Ada apa saja di preposisi tempat? Oke, number 1. Beside, di samping. Behind, di belakang. Between, di antara. In front of, di depan. Oke, let's move to the next slide. Ini ada beberapa contoh preposisi tempat. Di antaranya ada between, beside, behind, across, in front of. For example, number 1. Galang is beside Pipit. Galang berada di samping Pipit. Monita is between Galang and Pipit. Monita berada di antara Galang dan Pipit. Galang is behind Pipit. Galang ada di belakang Pipit. Galang is in front of Pipit. Galang ada di depan Pipit. Monita is across from Pipit. Monita ada di seberang Pipit. Okay, I think it's enough for this material. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.